This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kinoilam ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA bakantup yoba John F. Karshiying President paruba finally pariat Secretary Lem Udidi Shira Director Katanat Sports haga jingpen tip syakilat patai kubor haga nyo tarik unaitung araja arpusan kilaong baka yakop mare marathon kabla tip kum ka Sohra International Half Marathon kabasau an penlong haga arpo nyo tarik unai lur araja arpusan Kini ginoilam ka association kilaong baka tarik bakaddu yaki bakwa banya simbanta ban penrung kerteng kedai haka shpau tarik unai lur araja arpusan bat kemilenti bagi noi simbanta kin palat yaka shpau hajar ngut kakus nam pisa kelum na kabanta kin Nongjop paper jong kani kelempung kan long khat san lak san pau hajar Tyngka bat kindan ki kus nam kerpang na kabanta ki palat san pusan snam ki pendap yaka arpoi kilometer
kani ka jing kani ka ni sokomen ban pentip bagandan kani ka jing mare mo saisien ka jing mare ka basa ka fourth Sohra International Half Marathon ka banlong haka arpenyo tarik September arjar opsam ti ni sokomen ni ai kublai sarkar nakalian ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association nakalian ka Meghalaya Athletic Association ya kani ka jing kersian jok sarkar ban promote ya ka jing mare kani ka half marathon 8 kilometer yaki pangi paper sanang batai ba finally pada show hatain batai tu idai tar kiat yakini ka bata ban ngaso ban syukurpat nak liang jonga tak kawai ka lomba ki bopon ha ki nong mare jungi ban nak ki jelar ki wan dra di report tinga soba kwa ban pensyai ga sesien bagani ke jing mare kada day da timing but kita don deki kinja chip mo bagi te ka Athletics Federation of India ki pa anta la mundur bandan kata hajar ngut kilang mare te la ki one slam ki tap kuteng la dirport mla shu ban yo itu kecep ke bomot ki pai ba ki la ban mare ki bakwa ban mare ta ka timing ki dum yo nomor ba mla yo tu chip shimit de budan po Shillong so ban omba ki to ki bakwa ban mare shau to rek ka diksi khadu ki soba ban shim khya ban ya de shwa kata.
From the sports department, we are very eager to once again conduct the international event, that is the Sohra International Half Marathon in the beautiful place that is Sohra. And from the department, we have earmarked sufficient funds for the successful conduct of this great event once again. All the subcommittees has been notified and they are already functioning. We are also collaborating with the district administration, with the locals of Sohra area also. So hopefully with the contribution of all, with the collaboration of all, this year again we'll be conducting the fourth Sohra International Marathon successfully. That is all from my side.
This marathon is the same as we have done last year, except that it is organized by the Athletic Federation. We have to pay them money. All the technical officials, all the timing technologies, everything is all from the AFI, which are recognized by the World Athletic Association. So regarding technical part, this is done by them. Ours is to just to maintain, see that the routes is good, and the volunteers, the refreshment, everything, the water point, the medical team, so and so, as we have seen, will be done in collaboration with the Director of Sport and us, MSA and MAA. So far, we have no problem. We are working very hard. Even the people of Sohra, I'm told, they are really happy that this will happen once again in Sohra. So regarding the prize money, just the category we have changed this time. Last time we put above 60 years. This time we have done away with the 60 years because of less participants. So this time we are doing only 21 elite open above 18, 21 open only for Meghalaya above 18, 10K 18 to 40 years, 10K 40 to 55 years, 10K 55 years and above. All these are open category. So the prize money, I'll be sharing with you the details. I need not to say. The total prize money is 15,50,000. We do have the gift for the under 14 run for fun for the first 200 runners, and also consolation prize for the above 50 who finish that 21K. Last time also we gave them some cash prize. This time also we're giving them. So everything online entry will be explained again about John, the online thing, that this time we request, especially from Meghalaya, they used to wait till the last moment because network problem, no? Sometimes they wait till the last moment, oh, we cannot get the link. So we request all the participants to kindly do it. Since our entry fee is very cheap, elite we are taking only 1,000. And also the 21K, 10K for all the race is just 200 rupees. And this time we added 50 rupees for the 10K. We added this 10K run is because of the run for fun, because most last year we have a big problem because of online entry, they give free and they just enter like that, one name 5-6 times, and it make a big mess for us. And we have the hired bus, the bus has been hired, some 10-15 buses are wasted. Because under fun we are not much of concern, we are more concerned of this competitive. So this time we are taking a minimum 50 rupees for all those who are participating. I request them that this year the timing of leaving Shillong will be 3 a.m. sharp. Because other marathon starts at 4 a.m. So, you know, Delhi marathon, you can't start after. Because last time you see the heat, lots of people have collapsed also because that day was very hot. And we have 4 or 5 who have got injured. So we request all the people regarding time, if you participate, you have to come at 3 a.m. sharp. So it won't, because most of the real runner comes on time. Those who are just come for fun, they come late. So it affects the. So this time the bus will leave state at 3 a.m. So we start early from lights up, yeah. And for the run for fun, just for kindly write that for the people of Sohra, because school are joining us and all of you, there is no entry fee for the run for fun for the Sohra region. It means you are nearby village and the school, we are giving separate entry. So for them, there is no need to pay any money, except those who are doing online, they have to pay the 50 rupees. Category we have elite and for 21K, elite and 21K above 18 for Meghalaya, because we want to give Meghalaya separate. But for elite also, if Meghalaya want to compete and the elite section, they can compete if they feel they can do. So it's up to them to choose between that. But if they come for 21K above 18, they can compete in this Meghalaya, which is just 200 rupees entry. The prize money is slightly less, 50,000, 30, 20. So for the elite is 1,50,000, 75,50, consolation 5, 10,000, so 3,25,000 for the elite. So some athletes have competed last year were good. So they earn more money if they go to, and the other Meghalayans get a chance to do this. Meghalaya. So 10K are all open, 18 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 and above. All from India can participate in this. No, youngest we don't, because 10 years we ask the parent to accompany them for the run for fun. Because it's risky, no? If they fall down with the, sometimes start the, so those 10 years old also, they have to be with their parents. They also register themselves and they run for fun. They run for fun, some family. We'll try to create some prizes, say for youngest or some dresses like this. So we'll, as we start with the committee, we'll come up with that. No, below 10. Because 5K is not good, no? So 10K, 10 at least with parent is possible. That also for the Sohra. From Shillong they cannot travel, no? 10 years old. So only for Sohra region.
Habatin, page bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya